Hey, what's up today? In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can start making money by chatting or by making video calls with people on the internet. Alright, so on the side, the website by which you can actually do that is rentercyberfriends.com. People rent you to have a conversation with them, either video conversation or just ordinary chats. Alright, how do you get started with that? You can see some of the features here: video calls, private conversations, and you get paid per minute. As low as $0.1 per minute. Every minute is for free. Every first minute is for free. Alright, so to do that, you are going to sign up here. But I'm going to advise you, when you are signing up for a system like this, to use a VPN. We have VPN. The first VPN I would recommend is you can use Windscribe. It's free. You have the free version of Windscribe, and you can open windscribe.com. You can just Google and say Windscribe VPN. It's a free VPN, and you can click on the download section here. And under the download section, you have for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux, and we also have the Windscribe for your browser, which is a form of extension. I have installed the Chrome extension here, which is what I have here, and it must be on. Make sure that this by default will be like this, then you need to put it on like this. So once this is green, then you are good to go. Come down here and click on the sign up button and fill all the details. There are two ways by which you can sign up. You can sign on to sign up as a cyber friend, or you can sign up as a caller. The caller is the person that pays the cyber friend. All right. So if you are in need of someone who you can talk to, you want to make video call with such a person, either the person needs to assist you on some things and stuff like that. Can advise you or whatever the conversation line is all about. You can sign up as a caller, or you can sign up as a cyber friend. Take a look at this. As a cyber friend, you can earn money by chatting with callers who will pay you by the minute. All right, and we have another section which is, as a caller, you can connect one-on-one with available cyber friends who share your interests. All right, you can browse the profile, you can check the profile. To see the profile, let's just check out the interest. Now click on the interest. Interests include friendship, relationship, movie, music, video games, cooking, environment, sport, traveling, lifestyle, and technology. And you can search for people who actually belong to any of those interests. And one of those, it can be either male or female. All right, so I'm going to check this profile. Okay, hello there, my name is Mark, and I'm 23 years old. I'm Italian, live in Milan, and I'm currently studying to become a lawyer. I'm a specialist in crime, and criminal and juvenile criminal law. So that's the specialty. If you need someone who will advise you on a legal matter during my university study, you can look up to this guy. All right, from 0.1 to 0.50 per minute. So you can see for music 0.10, then traveling, friendships, lifestyle, environment, and stuff like that. I can see the profile is in United States and is an Italian. So you can keep on checking you can search all like this to get the person that fits into your schedule. You can see that he or she is online. You must be sure that he or she is online. All right, you can see that it's online. A male. This is a family man. Got 5 kids, 2 from my family, my fifth family, and 3 from other second partner. I got 4 girls and 1 boy. 2 are grown-ups, and the others are 7, 5, and 2. I'm an electric engineer graduate, but I ended up working in the call center as tech support. I love talking to different people from all parts of the world. I love learning from other culture. In social media, whenever I see someone sad, I make sure to send a private message to confirm there is someone to talk to about it. All right, you can see the profile. You can always check for the profile, and that's if you are the caller. But if you are not the caller, you set up your own profile to be the person to be talked to be something like this. But don't forget, when you are creating an account here, make sure that you are turning on your VPN. So that's how to make money. So sign on your account. A mail will be sent to you for your account activation. And should in case you didn't receive the mail at the process of your registration, always send, you will be given, okay, let me try to sign up as a cyber friend here. All right, so you try to sign up, you fill up the form like this, fill up all this form, and you'll be given an activation mail will be sent to your email. If you don't receive the activation mail, send a mail to their support. You have a mail there where you can send to the support to activate the account for you, and in couples of days your account will be activated. You fill up all your profile, set up everything you have under your profile, and you can start making money from Rental Cyber Friends. If this video has helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel, click the notification button to keep receiving updates on how you can make money legitimately on the internet.